Good morning, everyone. I hope this finds you well on a Monday morning. This video is meant to show you what you will be doing from home on Monday and Tuesday of this week if you come to school on Thursday and Friday. And then it's also meant for the kids that are at home on Thursday and Friday, what you'll be doing on those days as well. So you go to Google Classroom, go to My Classroom. The video that I'm making will appear right here, and then go to classwork. You'll see week 3 schedule is now in. This is where you will find everything you need to do for these days. So let's take a look. So offsite, this is the asynchronous work. So that means if you're not in school. So tomorrow, the Monday kids will show up and they will be here Monday and Tuesday. The Thursday, Friday kids will be doing the stuff in this column. And then on Thursday, Friday, the kids that are in school Monday, Tuesday will do this column. So the first thing is to watch the video that I'm making right now. Then you should do a lesson of Zern. 30 minutes of Lexia Core 5. 20 minutes of reading books from of choice or Lexia. That means if you have books at home you want to read, you can look at those, or you can choose Lexia. Again, for kids that are at the very early stages of learning how to read, that may mean you're reading the pictures. You're looking at a book and telling the story in your head of what you see going on. That is totally acceptable for someone at the early stages of learning how to read. Reading does not mean sit down and read Harry Potter from start to finish before you can leave and move on to the next thing. Then, here, complete the writing prompt. My favorite fall activity is. You'll draw a picture of it. You'll write about it. First graders, I want you to write 3 sentences. So after you write my favorite fall activity is, and let's say it's jumping in the leaves, then you'll write that sentence, and then you'll write 3 more sentences about jumping in the leaves, why you like it, what's fun to do, what do you do when you're jumping in the leaves. It could be another activity though too. You don't have to write about jumping in leaves. Second graders, you write your introduction sentence, and then you're going to go 6 to 8 sentences. You need to give lots of detail. So make sure you describe what it feels like, what it looks like, okay, what it sounds like. Um, so whatever it might be to describe your favorite fall activity. Then when you're done, you color in the picture. Now, this is meant to be worked on over 2 days. Okay, so you don't have to sit down and get it all done on Monday. You could start it on Monday, maybe start some of your writing, and then pick it up on Tuesday and finish. And then if any of these specialist teachers have anything for you to do, you should check in on their Google Classrooms and see if you have any music or art or anything like that. Okay, so again, this is meant for each day, with the writing taking 2 days to do. I don't care what order you go in. You can pick and choose. You might do some in the morning and some in the afternoon. That's for you and mom and dad to sit down and figure out what will work best for you over these 2 days. But the idea is you must get these done. 2 math lessons, one Monday, one Tuesday. 2 days of Alexia. Okay. The writing is a 2-day thing. This is 2 days, 20 each day. So you must get everything done each day. I hope this helps. And for the rest of this, let me just show you. Wednesday, this is what we'll be doing as a class. So this is your schedule for Wednesday. Then in the afternoon, starting at noon, you'll have check-ins with the specialist teachers, the integrated arts. And then this is what you're doing with me this week. And the one thing I need to add in here now, this is what we're doing in school, is our school pictures are going to happen 12:15 to 12:30 on Tuesday and Thursday. So this read aloud will actually become picture day. So we will have picture day on one of those days. I hope you guys all have a great week. If you need anything, please reach out.